Hey everyone, welcome back to Health and Fitness Ideas, where we dive into all things beauty and wellness. Today we're talking about a topic that's always in style: how to achieve naturally glowing skin. If you're tired of dull, lackluster skin and want a radiant, healthy glow, you're in the right place. I've got 8 proven tips to help you get that natural glow, and they're all simple and effective. So let's get started. Tip number 1: hydrate. Hydrate, hydrate. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for maintaining your skin's natural moisture balance. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. If plain water isn't your thing, try herbal teas or add a splash of lemon for extra vitamin C. Hydration helps keep your skin plump and radiant from within. Tip number 2: eat a balanced diet. Your skin reflects what you eat, so load up on fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Foods rich in antioxidants like berries and leafy greens can protect your skin from damage and promote a glowing complexion. And don't forget healthy fats from sources like avocados and nuts. They help keep your skin supple and smooth. Tip number 3: get your beauty sleep. Sleep is when your skin does most of its repair work, so aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. This helps reduce dark circles and gives your skin that fresh, glowing appearance. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to ensure you get the rest you need. Tip number 4: use sunscreen daily. UV rays can cause premature aging and dull your skin. Even if it's cloudy, apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every morning. This not only protects your skin from sun damage, but also helps maintain its youthful glow. Tip number 5: exfoliate regularly. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells, revealing the fresh, glowing skin underneath. Opt for gentle exfoliants to avoid irritation. You can use physical exfoliants like scrubs or chemical ones like AHAs and BHAs. Aim to exfoliate 1-2 times a week. Tip number 6: moisturize. Keeping your skin hydrated on the surface is just as important as drinking water. Use a moisturizer that suits your skin type to lock in hydration and create a smooth, glowing finish. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid and ceramides for optimal results. Tip number 7: incorporate facial massage. Facial massage can boost circulation, reduce puffiness, and promote a radiant glow. You can use your fingers or a jade roller to gently massage your face in upward motions. Try it as part of your morning routine for an instant glow boost. And tip number 8: avoid stress. Stress can negatively impact your skin's appearance, leading to breakouts and dullness. Find ways to manage stress, whether through exercise, meditation, or hobbies. A relaxed mind contributes to a glowing complexion. So there you have it, 8 proven tips for naturally glowing skin. Incorporate these into your daily routine, and you'll be well on your way to a radiant complexion. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Health and Fitness Ideas for more skincare tips and beauty hacks. Leave a comment below with your favorite skincare tip or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay glowing, everyone.